here today at the beautiful Guildhall, London for Tourism Ireland's 22nd Flavours of Ireland. We are joined here today by 60 Island of Ireland tourism businesses, including 20 from Northern Ireland, and over 100 global inbound tour operators from all across Great Britain. Over 650 B2B meetings will take place across the course of today, allowing global inbound tour operators to set itineraries that support the regions and communities of Ireland.
We find it extremely beneficial to partner with Tourism Ireland and get great exposure from all the travel agents and tour operators that we meet. It's definitely one that we put in our calendar every year.
I had many productive meetings this evening. We are bringing customers from all over the world, but in particular the US and the Far East, in Japan, in Taiwan, Korea, and we're looking forward to another successful season next year.
Flavours of Ireland has been amazing. I met so many new clients and certainly signed up new deals for 2025.
We're well known for our love of storytelling, and tourism gives us an opportunity to express who we are and connect us with the wider world, including, of course, our large diaspora.
Tourism really is all about teamwork. I know that our Island of Ireland businesses are every day figuring out new ways to help people to explore, whether that is solar-powered boats in Fermanagh or hiking tours in the Mourne Mountains, whether we're talking historic houses or 100-acre gardens or cliff-top walks. So many of you are represented here this evening. I hope you've enjoyed all of the connections that you've made.